Hello and welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy Ethereum using the Safepal app on your mobile device. Let's get right into it. First, launch the Safepal app on your mobile device. Ensure that your app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once in, tap on Market or Buy Crypto option. In the list of cryptocurrencies, find and tap on ETH. Use the search bar if needed to locate it quickly. Once on the Ethereum page, tap on the Buy button. Input the amount of Ethereum you wish to buy. You can switch between fiat and crypto values for your convenience. Choose your preferred payment provider from the available option. For example, credit card, debit card, or third-party service. And review your purchase details, including fees and the amount of Ethereum you will receive. Ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. Depending on your payment provider, you might be redirected to a secure payment gateway. After the payment is processed, wait for the transaction to be confirmed. This can take a few minutes. Once the transaction is confirmed, return to your wallet home screen and verify that your ETH balance has been updated. And that's it. You have successfully bought Ethereum using the Safepal app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching Financify, and I'll see you in the next video.